Alright, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be finishing up another bike build. It's going to be my cousin Leviticus's bike. It's been a long time since I was able to work on his bike, so now in this video we're finally gonna build it up. I got all the parts already, so let's see how it turns out. I'm excited. He got a couple new parts right here, which I'm gonna unbox right now. Alright, so we got a stem. This is a Colt Forged Salvation V5 stem. I don't even know if I'm in frame or not, but got a Colt stem. Like I said, it's not my bike, so it's Leviticus's bike. So we got a stem, and then for the sprocket we got the Colt DAC 25 tooth, not the 28. Got 25 this time. Looks nice. You know, it's just simple, clean. It's just like my bike basically. Well, my sprocket, but it's 25. That's tiny. It looks smaller. And then we got the best chain out there, you know, Shadow Supreme chain. If I can even open this, because I don't have a knife or anything on there under here. Okay, so it's just, you know, simple black Shadow Supreme chain. And so once the bike's finished, I'm gonna try and get some clips of him. It could be in this video. If not, then maybe next video. But I got everything else right here. I got his bars, I got forks, I got the frame, I got everything. Like, I literally have his whole bike, so it's ready to go. And all I gotta do now is just build it up. So if you guys tend to enjoy the video and in videos that I come up with just to bring out content for you guys, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So it would really mean a lot to me. It would be amazing to reach 500 subscribers and more videos along the way. I know I haven't been making any, but it's just I've just been busy with work a lot, and I just don't really ride like I used to anymore. So I'm trying to get back into it. So right now, let's go ahead and do a little montage of all the parts. All right, so these are his wheels. Got a demolition rim laced up to a stock fit hub right-hand drive. We got Cinema Dakota Roche pegs. Most of these parts are like my old parts. And tires are brand new. They're the BSD Donna Street tires, size 2.4. And in the front, it's just a demolition complete wheel, demolition hub, mission hub guards, demolition rim, Cinema DAC pegs, and another BSD Donna Street tire in size 2.4. Like I said, the wheels, they're my old wheel set, but it's just I relaced the hub from left-hand to right-hand drive, and then repainted the hub guards. Pegs are still in good condition, so yeah. Next. All right, so as for the cranks, I got some stock fit cranks, or he has stock fit cranks in 165. Shadow bottom bracket, pretty cool. Here we got some Primo JJ pedals. They're brand new still, so they're good. My old Colt Sect V2 forks, pretty nice. Got a Colt crew bar, size 9.5, I believe. I'm not too sure. Got a Shadow Supreme chain, Colt Salvation stem, Colt DAC sprocket. We got the S&M holder grips on the bars. And then the best part, we got the frame that I just dinged, but that's okay. We got the Colt OS V3. This is a classic frame. They don't even sell these frames no more. But 20.5 top tube. Has a short head tube. It's pretty nice. United seat with the Odyssey seat post. It's tripod. As you can see, it's just one bolt. So now we're going to get some tools, and then we're going to get this bike build going right now. can't see me, but I went ahead and put the cranks and the sprocket and pedals together. So we're gonna throw a little grease on it. Put the cranks on. It's a little dry, and this kid loves to do is starting to do crank tips now. So, all right, once it's all greased up, make sure your bearing press is good. Alright, so the bike is done. It's a little dusty, bringing it out for a test run just to make sure it's smooth and everything's running good, which it is, don't get me wrong. Everything's running smooth, and I like how it came out. All black parts, everything black. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And most likely the next video, hopefully, if I don't got work and if I'm not busy, the next video will be Leviticus testing out his new setup. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.